Hello, this is Brian Resney, president of Resney Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. And one of the questions I'm getting a little bit more lately is about recessions. How often do recessions come, and how do you protect yourself, and how much does the stock market typically go down in a recession? I can tell you first off that we do not see a recession within the U.S. at least for 12 months out. Now that doesn't mean we're going to have a recession in 12 months. What that means is our crystal ball, our research is pretty clear for the next 12 months. We update those numbers daily and weekly, so we always keep moving that magic line out essentially, or that date. So we don't see any recessions in the U.S. Recessions statistically happen about every 6 to 7 years, sometimes every 14, sometimes 3, but on average, every 6 to 7 years. The equity markets usually get hurt very bad. So does real estate. Typically, we see drawdowns between 35 and 50%. How do you protect yourself? Look at the signs that bring recession about. One of those would be corporate earnings and GDP slowdown and revisions on the downside. When some of those indicators start to hit, it makes sense to start reducing equity exposure in your portfolio and wait for things to bottom and earnings revisions start to come back up. You're never going to sell at the top. You'll never buy at the bottom, but you want to miss that huge carnage in the middle, often saving you 30% plus losses in your overall portfolio. The problem that most people face, they don't actively manage the risk. Wall Street banks and insurance companies certainly do not. They want you fully invested all the time. So my tip for today, make sure you utilize risk management, look at recessionary indicators, and reduce equity-based exposure when the economy actually starts to slow down. GDP and earnings are two good indicators to look at. If you're not a client of our firm, give us a call. We'd love to help you build your portfolio in a proper manner, and of course, have a safe and profitable day.